Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. The donut. Not a particularly glamorous piece of confection, but nevertheless a staple at offices around the world if you want to bring in a nice treat for your coworkers. But it's Halloween. So of course, I've got to do something to it, because I can't just bring in donuts. So here's what we're gonna do. So I've got these plastic vampire teeth, right? I don't know, they go in your mouth. I'm not gonna put them in my mouth because you'll see in a second why that shouldn't happen. But I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna do something to the donut. I'm gonna do something strange. So you take your donut, which has a hole in the center, of course, and you want to just squish in these teeth to that hole right in the center, right? And I've also got these little chocolate chips. I mean, I got a whole bag of them. You can't just buy 2 of them or 24 of them, which is what I'm gonna need. So I've got a whole bag of them now. So I bought the milk chocolate ones because I'm sure I'll eat them at some point because I'm thick, because of the thickness. Okay, but we're gonna use that as the eyes. Okay, so after cramming the teeth right in the center, then you just want to cram these 2 chocolate chips as eyes, and boom, you've just transformed the boring but delicious fried but nutritious? No, I just tried to make it rhyme. It's not nutritious at all. Please don't count this as a part of your nutritional dietary breakfast. Just don't. Roll the thing!